Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more shells by completing the dance floor. I think you need help from other people as well because you'll need to fill the bar up to get some shells. So you basically need to stand on the dance floor that has like shells on it. So here, let me just wait for this to load. Okay, now I'm just going to go here to the white dove. Okay, it's like half already, so you just need to step on the shells here and you need to fill the party meter. So do that. Okay, when the shells move, you're going to move to the other shell for a new dance, and you just basically need to fill the party meter. It can take up to a few rounds to fill it up, by the way, so don't like be discouraged when you don't fill the party meter. Here else dance here. Okay, we need a little bit more to fill that in, so come on. Oh my gosh, this is nerve-wracking because I don't want to wait for another round, like I swear. Okay, we should be good to go. I don't know what's going on. Why are we not getting shells? Well, it should work like that. I'm not sure why it's not working. But that is how you can fill the party meter. I'm not sure why it's not giving like extra shells. Maybe it gives like XPs instead. I'm actually not sure. But that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I think there's a bug and hopefully they'll fix it soon on that one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.